India's pursuit of a self-reliant, multi-domain air defense shield recently took a major leap forward. The Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, successfully conducted maiden flight trials of the Integrated Air Defense Weapons System (IADWS), codenamed Sudarshan Chakra, off the coast of Odisha, showcasing its ability to counter diverse aerial threats. This cutting-edge integrated air defense weapon system is built as a robust, multi-layered shield, fusing quick-reaction surface-to-air missiles for medium-range intercepts, very short-range air defense system missiles for close-in threats, and a high-power laser-based directed energy weapon for rapid neutralization of low-flying targets. For the first test, Integrated Air Defense Weapon System simultaneously engaged 3 distinct targets: a pair of high-speed fixed-wing UAVs, simulating fighter jets, and a multicopter drone, at varied ranges and altitudes, successfully destroying them all. The system's performance was confirmed by data collected via range instruments, which verified flawless coordination across all components: detection, command and control, communication, radar, and weaponry. The entire operations were overseen by a centralized command and control center developed by DRDO. This hub seamlessly integrates the weapons and sensors, quick reaction surface-to-air missiles, very short-range air defense system, and laser-based directed energy weapon to deliver a unified and rapid response. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh lauded the achievement, praising DRDO, the armed forces, and industry collaborators for this proud domestic milestone. He highlighted that Integrated Air Defense Weapon System will significantly strengthen area defense for vital infrastructure. These successful tests are a key milestone in Mission Sudarshan Chakra, announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during this year's Independence Day speech. The mission envisages building an Iron Dome-style, nationwide defensive shield by 2035, using entirely indigenous technology. A central component of this mission, Project Kusha, focuses on developing long-range interceptors with capabilities extending beyond 400 kilometers. Trial runs of these systems are slated to begin as early as 2026, further augmenting India's layered defense infrastructure. In essence, India's maiden Integrated Air Defense Weapon System test represents not just a technological milestone but a key stride toward an integrated, indigenous air defense ecosystem to secure the nation for decades ahead.